Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to use and apply coupon on Shein app. Now to do that, open the Shein application first and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now that you are logged in into the account, you need to go to the profile of yours first. Tap on profile on the bottom right. Now once you're at this page, you need to go and tap on coupons option on the top. You can see few options like coupon, points, wallet, gift card. You tap on coupons, tap that, and here are the coupons that you have gained in Shein app. Now for you to use it, all you have to do is tap on add. This will direct you to this page. So this is one way how you can use coupons to your card for the checkout. So if you do not want to go through this process, what you need to do is you select any product that you want to buy from Shein application. So I'm just gonna go choose a random one from here, then choose your color and size, and then tap on add to cart. Now go to the cart on the top right, go with the checkout process, tap on checkout. Now once you're at this page, you need to provide the payment method, tap on the payment method, and then you will see the option apply coupon over there. You tap that. Now here you will be able to find all the available coupons that you can add for this checkout. There's 15% off, 10% off, 10% off option. So you tap that and that will be added to your checkout section. You can see a coupon has been added and used. With this, a amount has been dropped from your shipping cart. Now you just scroll down and then tap on place order. A discounted amount or the used coupon will be shown in the discount section. So this is the way how you can apply or use the coupon on Shein application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.